In today's video, we are going to talk about I-129F processing times for March 2026 for K1, K2, K3, and K4 visas. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman, and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. So before we talk about the processing time, let's talk about the factors that affect I-129F processing times. As you know, USCIS processes cases in order they receive them. However, each case is unique and it will depend on the following factors. First factor, USCIS workload and policies. The overall workload at USCIS, including the number of applications received and staffing level, can affect processing times. And as you know as well, policies, for example, what happened for the 75 countries that now they are banned from getting the visas. Second factor is the accuracy of the application. A complete and accurate application with all required documentation can prevent delays caused by requests for evidence. Third factor is the beneficiary's location. As you know, where the beneficiary resides impact the I-129F processing time. For example, people living in France is not the same as people living in Mexico or Philippines or India. Fourth factor, cases complexity. Cases with complexities such as criminal record or previous immigration issues may require additional review and thus take longer to process. Background check and security clearance. Extended background check or security clearance can also contribute to a longer processing times. Just an example, your name. For example, if you have a common name, that case, it takes sometimes longer processing times. This is the most question I get from a lot of people. Can I marry my fiancée while my I-129F is pending? My big answer is no. If you have filed a fiancé case and you get married, that fiancé case is immediately over. Why? Because it is over once you get married. So you cannot convert I-129F K1 visa case to an I-130 CR-1 visa case by getting married. If you get married, that fiancé case is over. Now, let's talk about the processing times. How to check the processing time? If you go to this link right here, select the form I-129F, petition for alien fiancé. From category, you have only one category, K1, K2, K3, K4. If you know, K1 is for fiancé of US citizen, K2 is for children of the fiancé of US citizen, K3 is a spouse of US citizen as a fiancé, K4 is children of a fiancé as spouse of US citizen. The field office or service center, there is only one now. They call service center operation. So if you check the processing times for petition for alien fiancé I-129F at service center operations is 10 months. Just don't get by this processing times right here. It's not 100% accurate. This is the average. But if you check the processing times for 2026 is 7.5 months, which is really good for the fiancé cases. As you can see, on 2021 is 8, on 2022 is 12.1, 2023 was 13.9, 2024 was 8.5, 2025 is 7.7, now is 7.5. That's the best since the processing time since 2021, which is really good. Now, let's talk about the next step. What happened next after I-129F is approved? From interaction with my viewers, a lot of people, they do not understand the next steps. You must understand the next steps, at least while you are waiting for your case to be approved. You must understand what next. Once USCIS approved your petition, they will send you I-797 approval notice. Means they approved your case. That will have approved notice. Just make sure you read the bottom of your notice of action, because sometimes they will ask you for something else. Just make sure you read the bottom right here. Once you receive, once your case is approved and sent, and your case will be sent to NVC for processing, NVC will process your case within the NVC timeframes and then send you a welcome letter. This is a welcome letter for K1 visa, and it has only case number right here. That's what you need to complete your immigration journey. Once you receive your welcome letter, it's time to go to check the status. How you do that? It is very simple. Just go to visa status check, enter visa application type as immigrant visa. Do not enter it as non-immigrant. Then enter immigrant visa case number from your welcome letter. Then enter the correction shown right here and click submit. If the status is ready, it's time to go create your profile or your account. How you do that? You just go to this link right here and type sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, you will need to enter your email address, your name, full name, and date of birth, and then create your account or profile. Once you create your profile and you enter it, and you enter the data into the systems, I'm sorry, and you enter your login credentials, it's gonna show like this. This is how you start scheduling interview. Start application, then start uploading. Start scheduling interview. But you have to wait for this email right here from embassy or consulate from your country telling you that they are ready for you to start scheduling interview. You start scheduling interview, but before you do that, you need to complete this 160 and print the confirmation page, because you will need that. You need the barcode to schedule interview. Once you schedule an interview, you will receive a confirmation email from U.S. consulate or embassy in your country, basically telling you that you schedule an interview at this time and date and location where you have interview. Now, at the day of interview, the consular officer will ask you some basic question about your case, and if you answer that question, the applicant, of course, if the applicant answers the question correctly, the consular officer will issue the visa. If not, it will go refused, and then go to under 221G. If it's refused and then you submitted the required document, and the case will be approved again. If not, it will go under administrative processing. And it's gonna take longer time to process. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.